Blissful evening to all. We hope you have all done your today's exam well, that is UGC NET English 2025 cycle. But do you think the UGC NET still follows a stagnant pattern? No, absolutely not. The days when British literature alone dominated the question paper are long gone. Today's UGC NET English for 2025 December cycle clearly signals a paradigm shift. It reveals a strong concentration of questions from literary theory, cultural studies, and linguistics. Linguistics, which was once sidelined and often underestimated, has now moved from the margins to the mainstream. British literature is no longer the center. Just as literary theory adjusts to question Eurocentrism, the UGC NET English exam has moved beyond British literature centrism. The syllabus has opened up, the focus has widened, the lens has shifted. So, what does this mean for you as a UGC NET English aspirant? Selective study will no longer work. The next point is comfort zones can cost you marks. Third one, a 360-degree approach is the only way forward. So UGC NET today rewards balanced and critical awareness on question paper. So be ready not just for British literature but for the whole discipline of English. Stay alert, stay updated, stay ahead. If you haven't performed today's exam well, don't worry, you have options, you have more opportunities ahead. As Shelley says, if winter comes, can the spring be fair begin? So keep preparing, stay alert, stay updated, stay focused, and most importantly, stay calm. Okay, thank you all. Have a great day.